G'day guys, and welcome back to my wok. Now today I'm going to make a chicken with a fresh green peppercorn sauce. Now this goes out to my good friend peppercorn from my other community. So what I've done is I've cut a breast in half lengthways, as you can see. I've just got some olive oil and some butter. Now we're going to brown these off. Now they've browned, as you can see there. Now I'm going to take them out of the wok. Now I'm going to get rid of some of the oil, as you can see. Keep all that fond on the bottom. That's where all the flavour is. Don't throw it out or don't wash the wok or your pan. I add a little bit more butter. Now here comes the fresh green peppercorns. Now if you've never had fresh green peppercorns, give it a go. These sort of sauces goes great. Now you can do this with a steak, chicken. Usually with a steak you do a red sauce, chicken you do a white sauce, but it doesn't really matter. So I'm just going to flatten them down a bit, as you saw, or as you'll see. Sorry, I'm doing a voiceover because the fan was just too loud for me to talk. So yeah, just going to flatten them out and release more of the flavour of the peppercorns. Now, when you're making these sort of sauces, you can use brandy or cognac to deglaze the pan or the wok. Get all those flavours out of the bottom of the fond. Now I've got some red wine, which I only put a little bit. I had some red wine left over from my other sauces. Now I'm reducing this down, yet again, more reducing. So the alcohol will cook out, of course. Now in goes about, I don't know, half a cup to 3/4 a cup of stock. You can use chicken stock, you can use beef stock, doesn't really matter. Now I'm going to reduce this down as well. In goes the cream. It's about half a bottle of 400 mils, so around 200 mils of cream, thickened cream. Give that a bit of a stir. Now what we're going to do is we're going to reduce this down as well. And you'll see when I put the chicken back in and cook the chicken a bit more, which wasn't cooked right through, it'll change colour, obviously, as you cook the cream down. Here's some Watch Your Sister sauce. A few drops go into that. Don't overdo that sauce. It's pretty powerful. Chicken's gone back in. Cook it for another 3-4 minutes. The sauce will thicken and it will reduce. And let's have a look. There you have it, my friends. One of my favourite dishes to make. My mum loved this dish I used to make for her rest of her soul. And this was pretty popular in restaurants. So I'm going to cut it open and have a look. There you have it, perfectly cooked. Bit of chips, veggies there. Have a bit of a taste test. Tell you what, if you've never had chicken or ribeye with a fresh green peppercorn sauce, you're missing something out of your life, I'll tell you right now. Anyway, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that sort of stuff, and I'll see you later.